Today I'm going to show you how to refill your Be Quiet light loop, and it doesn't matter which one it is. As you can see, there is the 2-fan version or the 3-fan version, and it's pretty simple. So in the manual it states if you want to refill it, you need to remove this sealing sticker, which is located on the right side of the radiator. If you look at it from the tubes here, you would flip it upside and you can see this sticker here. And there's a sticker. So we can simply peel the sticker off because we don't need it anymore. As you can see, there's a screw hidden beneath it. You can still clean this off later. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. So after you have removed the sticker, make sure to put your water cooler upright like this. Take a look at your coolant bottle, because the problem with this coolant bottle of the light loop is if you press that thing, you're gonna see there's no water coming out of it, because you have to twist the whole thing first, and then you will see here is a little cap protecting it. So you just take your fingernail and push it upwards. Yeah, you can see it. It's a little cap. And just lay it aside for now. I like to make this thing dry first. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cap back on. Make sure that you put it on correctly. It's not gonna be coming much water out of it. If you just shake it, there's gonna be like a little droplets. You can see. If you press it, there's gonna be water coming out. So what you wanna do is take the radiator, unscrew the radiator screw like this. Take it out. There might be some water coming out of here, so be prepared to like use your towel or cloth to dry it. So you need to screw this in because this looks like a little screw and is the same size as a screw you took out from earlier. So we're just gonna put it in, and don't press it, don't shake it too much, just gently turn it around like this and screw it down. It's screwed in, there might be some water at the edges, so just try that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna press on this. Let's see how much this is going to take. Get some water down there in the pump. Now you can see there's no air bubbles coming if I press it, so it means it's full. What we want to do now is we want to carefully untwist this and make sure to have your cloth ready and easy grabbable. And now we're going to unscrew this. Carefully, slowly unscrew this, just like that. Don't shake it too much. If you see that it's loose, turn it around like this, and then you should be good to go. As you can see, it's full. You can see some water swimming around here, some coolant. Just simply use your cloth to wipe it away on the surface, just like that. Now after you dried it, take your screw and put it back in. You can hear some funny noises right now. Just a little bit like this. This should be good. Now dry it again from the outside. And for now, you should be good to go. Normally you would need to do it like after 2 years or something like that. But this was just a demonstration video to show you guys how to refill it. And we actually filled up a little bit. Not that much, but a little bit. And don't forget to put this cap back on. Like this. Here you can see it. Put the cap on again. Perfect. That's how you refill your Be Quiet light loop, 360, 240, whatever. And many other Be Quiet coolers as well.